Interested in life and its many surprises? You've come to the right place. Let's compare notes. Welcome to Notes on Life. I'm Ellen. I'll be making tutorials, offering ways, tips, hacks, remedial remedies, support, something relaxing or reassuring, and wherever possible, a smile or two. This is about us. About you, for you. Hey, you're back. Welcome to this episode of Notes on Life. Now in this tutorial, hang on. Oh, notoriously, like keys and glasses that can seem, if you're lucky, lost, misplaced, mislaid. Same can happen to your sense of, now I can always rely on myself. Where's my strength? Where's my resourcefulness? Where? Not lost. Every tool, every inner resources tool is in your toolbox. I'm here to remind you what you have and the fact that you have them, all of them, and it's an awesomely big stack. And why am I here to remind you? Can you guess? Because in this still complicated, difficult, often tiresome world situation, we need every tool we can lay our hands on. That's why. Now, last time I mentioned your ability to sometimes not jump into action, but do the opposite. Stay out. Don't go and solve, fix, make better, take care of. No. Sit back, lean back. Let it all flow by. Closely related to that ability is this. And that's a power tool. Capital P, patience. Look, that true patience can sit and let time flow by, and then instinctively or by previous experience, I'm not sure, know the right time to jump or go or move into action. Now, where I live, as of tomorrow, we enter our third lockdown. Basically, this means all leaves are cancelled and we are back to all the restrictions of lockdown number 2 that lasted 4 horrible autumn and winter months. Most of us, myself included, understand the necessity, though I do confess I find it more and more troublesome to find in myself the tolerance to understand yet again. Now that takes patience with capital P, because there's nothing we can do but have patience and sit it out and be sensible and all of that. And you know, by this time we all wonder, may I say it out loud? Yes, I may. How long to sing this song? How many capital P's must I write in the bathroom mirror to remind myself to be patient? How long to sing this song? Indeed. Now, as a symbol for a tool that will help you with things like patience and many, many other items in your life, I chose this symbol. coming up, closely followed by yet another one that will enable you to keep your strength up for quite a bit. So don't go away. Stay tuned. Like this? Then please like it and share the link. Use the comment section and please click that subscribe button. And while you're there, also the little bell. Then you get a notification every time I've put a fresh video out there. See you. Now this has nothing to do, luckily for us, with locked doors, and has everything to do with shutters. I chose this symbol to represent the very important tool in a resource, your ability to learn. And this fully depends on your willingness to open the internal, the mental shutters. You see, if you don't, if you won't, nothing can enter. No knowledge, no experience. Wouldn't that be a shame? Or would ignorance be bliss? Would it mean you then stay innocent? That I have no answer to. Ignorance, I don't think that's blissful. Picture this. Not learning would mean we'd still be crawling around on our hands and knees, filling nappies to capacity and beyond, wondering where the next meal may come from. Because you see, none of us would have a clue because we'd be ignorant. I don't think that's a useful or pretty situation for humans to be in. On the other hand, learning, though you have to put in the energy, the effort, and be prepared for some fails, and then fail again, and then fail better, and put in the hours. We all do, no matter. The reward is that your world will slowly expand. By learning, you can broaden your horizon, and then go on and broaden it again. See a bigger world, know a bit more, develop, grow. Now, the giant Einstein once said, let me remember this quote correctly, I know one thing, that there will always be so much more that I do not know than that I do know. Now that's pretty daunting coming from him. Is it then worth the bother at all? Learn. Of course it is, because you can add to your store of experience, of knowledge, of growth, of development. And then when the day comes, hand the package to the next generation. But I digress. Learning for me is a joyful element. But then you see, I cannot really be objective in this after 30 plus years in education and healthcare. But see it as a joy and be aware of this powerful tool. Now quickly on to the next one. Next tool out of your inner resources toolbox. I didn't bring a special symbol because you see it's represented in so many ways in you, in myself, in all humankind, in the world around us. For now, picture this tennis ball. If you put it under pressure, if you use power, you can squish it a bit. Remove the pressure and it will spring back to its original shape. Maybe suffer some headache for a day or two and a dent here and there, but spring back it will. So it is with you, with me, with every human. We have flexibility. We have resilience. Thank goodness. Because, you know, picture a human, picture yourself if you can, without any ability of springing back to your sort of kind of original shape. That would mean that every tragedy, mishap, misfortune, accident, relationship breakup, loss could and probably would kill you. So rejoice with this awesome tool that you have of springing back. Also, of course, it allows you to adapt to, I will just point discreetly to the world, this, our difficult, lovely world. We can adapt. It may cause us a few dents and suffer headaches more than ever before, but we can adapt, we can adjust. Awesome tool. Of course, it has limits, yes. Everything in your life has a limit. But that said, awesome tool, yes. Ooh, I nearly forgot. Coming up next time, so please, let's meet here. Something that's truly, truly good for your heart. Amongst other things, because I have a few reminders left that you may go, that you may then afterwards feel, aha, so I have this and that. And so, see you next time. And as always, keep your health. Stay connected, because you see, you are so worth the connection. See you next time.